Hey, buddy. I've been reading your comments. That's unnecessarily, man. I'm not gonna mention your name or put it anywhere up here. I'll forgive you, but I'll tell you what. The house you live is built by a concrete guy. The apartment you live is built by a concrete guy. The driveway, the walkway to your house is built by a concrete guy. The roads, the sidewalk. So respect yourself, not me. Give some positive thoughts, not negative thoughts. If you don't like this page, it's fine by me. Keep scrolling. I'll see you in the next video.